In this video we're going to work through a few integration problems. Most of these can be set up using U-Substitution. There are other ways that will work, but the straightforward method will be U-Substitution. So we'll start here, 3x squared over x cubed minus 4. Because the power of x is larger in the denominator, and the derivative of the denominator gives us the numerator, then U-Substitution is a good technique to try. So u equals the denominator. The derivative then, du, is 3x squared dx, which is exactly what we have in the numerator. Remember, U-Substitution, we're looking for u and du in the same integral. So when we make our substitution now, the denominator is u, the numerator is du, and the integral of du over u is one you should recognize. That's the natural log of u. Substituting back then, we get the natural log of x cubed minus 4 plus a constant. The next example then, the integral of 4x squared multiplied by x cubed minus 7. There's two ways you could do this. We could multiply in the 4x squared and just integrate each piece separately. That will work fine. Or we can set u equal to the x cubed minus 7. Du will then be 3x squared, and remember the constants don't really make a difference, so we just remove the 3 and the 4 that we need there. But let's do it the other way. Let's multiply it in. So we get 4x to the 5 minus 28x squared dx. Remember, there's no one right way to do these. Any of the techniques we learn can be applied to lots of the questions, so that integrated gives us 4, the constant stays, x to the 6 over 6 minus 28, the constant stays, x, 2 increases by 1, becomes 3 over 3, plus a constant, and simplifying, this reduces to 2 and 3. This one doesn't reduce, so we end up with 2x to the 6 minus 28 x3 all over 3, since the common denominator is already there, plus a constant. This last one then, the integral of sine cubed x cosine x, well, derivative of sine is cosine, so we have a u du. So if u is sine without the exponent, then du is cosine of x dx, meaning when we make the substitution, this becomes the integral of u cubed du, which we can integrate as u to the 4 over 4 plus a constant, and now we just need to substitute back. So we get the sine to the 4 of x over 4 plus a constant.